Hey guys, it's Karma here bringing you a tutorial on how to jailbreak your ps3. Firstly, you will need to have a ps3 with 3.55 firmware. Then you will need to go into your computer and find your USB. Once you've done that, you make a folder called ps3, which I will do now. It has to be in capitals. Okay, right. And inside that folder, you'll need to make another folder called update. Has to be in capitals. Okay, right. When you've done that, you'll need to open the folder and add the file that will be in the description. Okay, right. When you've done that, go back, and then on the main bit of your USB, you will need to put this other files that will be in the description as well. And that's basically it for the computer. Right, hey guys, I'm on my PS3 now, and you just go to settings, then system update, then update via storage media, and as it scans, it should say for the version 3.55 GB, location USB drive. You can read the terms and conditions if you want, but I don't. Then you just press accept, then turn off system automatically after update. Then your screen will go black and then beep a couple of times, but that's meant to happen, so you're okay if that happens. But yeah, that's basically